Welcome! In front of me is a Motorola Moto G Pure, and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, you'll want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using a home screen as an example for this, so it's already open and visible to me. Now once your content is open and visible, simply hold power key and volume down at the same time. You'll have this pop-up right here with Edit, Share, Google Lens and Delete option. And after a moment it should just disappear on its own, like it did right now. Now once the image disappears, you can find it in your Photos application, right in here. And you can see in the gallery you'll see something with a screenshot, and then you can tap on it and that's the screenshot that I have captured. So there we go. Now if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.